if it works any better on this one. Let's change the tip and let's work over here. Let's do the tiny Oddish. Okay, let's work over here. Okay, it erased that one. So I hope it got recorded. Let's see if we, let's see if it recorded it. Okay. Let's see. Notes. Where do I see them? Where do I see them? Where do I see the notes? Oh, here it is. Awesome. Awesome. Okay. Let's do the Oddish with this one. See if it's any better. Okay. Gotta do this. Then I gotta do this and that and this and that. And let's go from here to here. Whoa, that was me. Sorry, my bad. That was me. The center lines, the other center line, okay. The feet, the other feet, okay. Next is this line over here. Let's do this line there. Let's do another leaf. Let's do another one over here. I think it went too far. Let's do this one bigger. Okay, there we go. Gotta do the tip over here, the center line. Let's do this center line here. The eyes. Nope, not over there. Over here. The mouth. And I think we're done. Let's finish it up. Okay, let's see if we can erase it over here. No, it just changes back. Okay. And let's see how we do it this time. Okay, we got over here. So let's erase this one. Okay, let's do this line again. This one and this one. I'm not gonna do a lot over here, so I wanna. Why is it so? Come on, choose the smaller one. Okay, there we go. Okay, we gotta erase over here. It's erased. Where else? Oh, I need to draw a line over here and over there. Okay, good. What else? We gotta erase this line. We gotta erase this line. The good thing is that it remembers it over there, so I don't have to do that much thinking. I just gotta trace it back. That's it. I just gotta trace back the line, and that's it. Okay, let's paint it out. Let's go Oddish. Okay, I'm gonna do the leaves. green. Yeah. Let's do the green leaves. I can do it much faster on this one. Way faster. Because I can actually watch the pad and use the pad for the coloring. Whoa, that's good. That is good. I like it. I like it a lot. I do like it a lot. Okay, let's finish this up. Okay, there we go. There we go. I'm going Bob Ross on you. Okay. Oddish. What color is it? It's like a blue one. Don't tell me I ran out of memory again. I'll finish it up with this one. Okay. Let's do it over here. Okay, let's color this up. Okay. The eyes are not that important because I'm going to paint it black again. Oh, let's do it now. Let's do it. Okay. Okay. Oh, good. Okay. Let me erase this a little bit. We're done. Good. I like it. No, I like it. Let's do the marker again. Let's paint it up. Okay. Let's paint the mouth red. I think I went overboard. Let's do it. Okay. Looks more like a nose now. That looks more like a nose. Okay. And there you go. We got Oddish. Also, got Pikachu and we got Oddish. No, don't close. Right at the end. How could this happen? How could this happen? Oh my god, don't tell me it got erased. No, it got erased. This can't be. Well, I hope it got recorded, so. Okay. As the other camera ran out of memory, also, again, I'm finishing up with this one. So, I hope you liked the video. Sorry for it being that long, but I just wanted to do a good review. And, well, thanks for watching. See you on the next one. I'm gonna try to do this at least once a week, as long as the products keep on coming. And if you like the video, hit the like button. Please comment below if you like it also. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can get notified of my next video. Thanks for watching. Take care.